I'm really excited to showcase to you today our upgraded email builder within TMS Marketing Manager. You can now select templates right within the editor. You can amend those with a drag and drop editor that you'll have been used to from your existing email software. And as we progress, operators will be adding even more templates to the site so that you can use their content to create emails, add offers to, and send out to your database. So I'm just going to give you a very quick run through of it now. I'm in the marketing emails tab here. So I'm just going to close down the menu. And now you're shown here all the templates. As you arrive in, you'll be shown templates that are all available for you to be able to use. And then you'll also have a tab here called My Saved Email Templates. So any templates that you've created yourself, any emails that you've created will appear here. So you can always go back in here and use them again, or you can amend them so you can create drafts and then come back and continue editing them as you've got time. So in this instance, I'm going to create an email, and you can search by template name. If someone's given you a template name, then you can search by template name, or you can select the category. So I'm going to select category food, and then I'm going to select chocolate. And I click on that, and it copies in the name of the template, but you want to change that to an email name that you want to send out this month. So I'm going to call this May 2022, or any name that you want to use. Whatever name you enter here, when you search on that name in My Saved Email Templates, then you'll be able to find the email. And it loads, as you can see, instantly in our drag and drop editor. And this is, you'll have seen this because it's one of our old emails templates that you've used before. And what you can do here is you can either drag in new images. So I can just drag that in there and add a new image. So I'm going to just get rid of that now. Just click on delete to get rid of it. You can change images, so that's an image that's already in there, but you can change that image by just uploading a new image. And in fact, you can search on images. So if you're wanting to add an image and you don't actually have that to hand, then you can search within millions of images here for whatever it is that you want to search for. So if I'm going to search on chocolate and you wanted to put something in there, then you can find lots of chocolate photographs here, images, and the same if you wanted to choose Maldives, then it would do exactly the same and show you lots of Maldives that you can drag and drop in. And all you have to do then is grab that, left click with your mouse, drag it over here, and in it goes. Nice and simple, just loads in the editor, and it's there for you to use. So that's nice and simple. Leave that in there. You can click in here and just start typing. You can change the font, and you can make things bold. So if you wanted to make that bold, you'll just highlight it and then click on bold to make it bold. Again, really simple to use. Drag and drop anything here from the left-hand side, any content over to the left-hand side here. If you want to add in new blocks, then you can drag them across, and you'll recognize this probably from your other email systems that you've used before. You can just drag across a two column block and put it in there, and you can drag content accordingly. You can make the columns and resize them that way as much as you like. So it's a really flexible editor, nice and simple to use. Have a go at using it. Once you've done that, automatically there'll be a tick for add promotions. If you don't want to add promotions, you just want to create templates, you can untick that and it will just take you through, and you don't have to add promotions to it. But for the time being, we'll add that in. I'm going to click on save and next step. Here we are, the promotions are loading here. Within the promotions, if you want to include Torhound operators in that, then you'll need to select that and just tick that, and it will reload the page with Torhound operators. But for the time being, we don't want to do that. It will always keep your selection from the last email you've done. So if you want to deselect, what you want to do is deselect all the ones from your previous one before you then start again. So on this one here, we're going to just add in, I'll just add in some random ones just for the sake of showing you how this works. Just tick on those like that and click go to step 4 to preview your work. Go to step 4, and two things to take note of here. One is the preview. You can just click on preview and it'll open up the email in a new tab. Here we are, there's the image that I had there, and then you can see that's all the data, all the text we had and images, and then at the bottom of it you'll see all of the offers that we've added to it. And don't forget, you can change the colors on these offers within your agent control panel. So that's nice and simple. And then if you use our email marketing system, if you're integrated with Campaign Monitor with us, then it will have already copied across your name of your email, and you can just start the process of scheduling that email to go out without leaving the system. You don't have to go in to do that. If you use MailChimp or another one, then you can either copy the HTML code here, or you can take the URL here and import that into your email manager. But if any of you are on our system and it's free to use for up to 500 subscribers, then you can just do it right from within here. But the main thing is that the email template editor has changed. Really simple. There's a and K one, and the drag and drop editor is so simple to use. You can just, if I wanted to change this, I can just unbold it, I can bold it, I can change the font family to another one instead. There we are, and I can change the color on the left here to black. So you can really personalize this, and obviously add your own words. When you drag a video in, then it will bring in a picture of the video, and then it will link to the video when you publish the email. So nice and simple to use. Just have a go at building some. If you have built some and you just want to get rid of them, then you can always go into my saved email templates, and you just click on the 3 stars here, the 3 dots rather, and you can either preview, duplicate, edit the name, or delete. So you can delete anything that you create. So don't worry about just having a go and creating as much as you want, because you can always delete anything that you don't want. You obviously can't delete anything here, but what you can do is always preview. So when you've selected your template here and you want to have a look at it before you load it into your editor, just click on preview and it will open up, and you can see here what the email looks like. So I think this is a great improvement for you. I hope you enjoy using it. Get stuck in and give me your feedback. That'd be great. Thanks so much. Have a good day.